Hey, so today with Direct Liquidation, and today we are reacting to another 15-item unboxing. This time a customer returns electronics merchandise pallet from Walmart, so let's get into it. Here we have a Cricut t-shirt press. Now that's a wonderful high retail value item to have right at the top of this pallet, and that's always great to see. What you're gonna see from a lot of these electronics merchandise is that they are in that high retail value range, which is great for all resellers, but especially our online resellers. Now, online resellers have additional costs that they need to account for. Things like outbound shipping costs and platform fees are things that really eat away at their potential profits. And so if you're an online reseller, these are the kind of goods and pallets you're looking for. We have a ring light. We're living in a social media age. An item like this can be potentially very popular on your store shelves. We have a drone. Now that's a different model drone from the one we unboxed earlier. And for these hobbyist items, I really do recommend you have just a few models for your customers to choose from. They're always going to be happy to having that choice. Now really quickly, I just wanted to show you the listing that our customer bought this pallet on. Now this pallet was part of a 3-pallet lot that our customer bought for $3,300, but the real kicker is if you look right under that $3,300, you'll be able to see the retail price on all 3 of these pallets, and that's right, that's $33,000 of retail value that our customer only paid $3,300 for. That is incredible, and these are the types of listings that you can find right now. After this video, just head on over to our website, directliquidation.com. Now let's get back into the video. As we're getting back into this unboxing, here we have a projector, another high retail value item, 9 items in at the very top of this pallet. That's just incredible to see. I know I talked about online resellers earlier, but I still do recommend you sell more locally. If you sell in places like OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist, you minimize those additional costs I was talking about for online resellers, and you maximize your potential profits when you're selling these pallets. Here we have a drone, another model from the 2 we opened up earlier and in its original packaging, and that's super important, and I'll tell you why. Original packaging for these items mean you get to spend less time getting these items in sellable condition and more time actually putting them on a store shelf or an online store and getting them sold. And that's an intangible thing you need to keep in the back of your head when you're looking for these pallets. So we're finishing up some print toner, $1,600 in value for 15 items. I'm sure our customer loved those 3 pallets, but the real kicker, $33,000 of retail value for a $3,300 investment. That's 10 cents on the dollar that our customer paid for this lot. And that's a huge margin of potential profit that they can hopefully use to sell the inventory on these pallets and then continue to buy pallets to scale their business. And you can too. You just need to head on over to our website, directliquidation.com, and look out for these pallets. But if you're looking for great deals, you can also just go ahead and join our Facebook group where we post great deals every single day. If you're looking for a specific category or you're looking to build a full truckload, you can call our sales team. We have a fully staffed sales team working around the clock to help you get the inventory you need today, and you can find all of that information in the description down below. If you like this video, consider giving us a like, but more importantly, if you want to see a specific category of Walmart inventory, leave it in the comments down below. That way I can work with my warehouse team to get you the inventory you want to see as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.